Hey admins, ready to rock the world of Docbits and Infor SSO? Here's your step-by-step guide on how to connect the two like a pro. Step 1. Access Infor Security Administration. Head over to your Infor Security Administration. Here's where the magic begins. Select Service Provider and create a new one. Choose Default SAML as the application type and give it a display name. Step 2. Grab Docbits details in your Docbits settings. Go to Integration. Copy the entity ID and SLO URL. Also, load the certificate here. Don't forget to upload the certificate into Infor OS. Step 3. Customize Service Provider. In Infor OS, back in Infor OS, modify the service provider you just created. Change the name ID to email address and save it. Then, export the SAML metadata from the service provider. Step 4. Set up Docbits. In Docbits, define the metadata and import the metadata you exported in the previous step. This connects the dots between Docbits and Infor SSO. Step 5. Add new app in Infor OS. Time to define the new app in Infor OS. Copy the SSO URL from Docbits and select an icon. Choose new window for the navigation method. Step 6. Define security role. In the final stretch, define the security role for the app you just created. Give your users access to this awesome new integration. And voila, you've seamlessly connected Docbits with Infor SSO. Your ERP managers and financial accountants are all set to enjoy a streamlined experience. If you run into any hiccups, our fantastic support team is here to help. Happy integrating!